Have your own data warehouse that is accessible via an API? Or looking to connect to a popular data provider that has API access? In this video, we'll talk through how you could easily and securely set up these API keys to use all of that data within Julius. To get started, navigate to your data source and find the API key that you wish to use. Add a name, and paste the API key into the field and click the checkbox. Whenever you're ready to pull from this API key, simply reference the exact API name in your thread or notebook within Julius. And that's it. Here you can see us pull some headlines from the open source News API directly into our Julius chat. Now you might ask, why use secret keys instead of pasting the keys directly into the chat box? First is for secure storage. When you add your API key via settings, it's stored and secure in an encrypted environment, not in the chat history. Pasting a key in chat exposes it to logs, transcripts, or even accidental sharing. 2 is for reduced risk of accidental exposure. Chat messages can be copied, exported, or even accidentally shared. Keys and settings are hidden and never displayed in plain text after saving. 3 is easy management. You could update, revoke, or delete keys from the settings page at any time. Just note, just like any other service provider, you should monitor usage and be aware of any rate limits as you use the API keys in your conversations with Julius. And that's it. Don't let your data analysis be bogged down by exporting and re-uploading your data. Use API keys to streamline the process from end to end. Looking for connectors to major data warehouses like BigQuery, Snowflake, and Postgres? Check out this video to learn how to connect and query directly within Julius. Be sure to leave your comments and thoughts below, and we'll see you in the next video.